Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Robert in Tennessee on the Stryker SR-955. Robert, it's ready to go for you, bud. We got our tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, as well as the ERF2030 plus upgrade. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug, 2 watts all the way down, 20 watts all the way up. Check average power swing. Hello, 70 bird, 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 120 PEP. Alright, Robert, it's ready to come to you. I'll get your RK56 thrown in there and you'll be good to go, man. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.